This is your active routine. You'll see that we're keeping the legs a lot more muscular as we're stretching them. And you're going to start with your right leg in front of you, your left leg in the back with your toes tucked. Place your hands beside your right foot. Now you're pressing your back foot towards the front foot. You're creating a scissor action with your feet. Bring your hands a little bit further in front. As you do this, think about lifting your heart and you're sinking in that stretch, keeping your legs nice and active. Also, keep pressing your knee towards your shoulder. And then as you open, maybe you can sink a little bit deeper. Switch leg. You can also rock back and forth a little. Bring your hands in front and sink down, keeping your legs very active, scissoring them together. You can kind of bob up and down as well in this posture. Now place your hands beside your left foot. Get to down dog. From down dog, lean forward to plank. Bring your right knee to your chest. And then move your foot to a 45-degree angle. Place your toes gently to the mat. You're pressing your toes on the mat and lowering your shin on the mat as well. Keeping your back toes stuck. Keeping the scissoring action that I was talking about before in your legs. We're going to stretch in pigeon, but this is a very active pigeon. So you're scissoring your leg and see if you can take your hands off the mat. Maybe bring your hands to your waist, lift your chest. Maybe try inhaling, lift up, scissor your legs even stronger. Exhale, sink in the stretch. I'm gonna do that 5 times. So inhale, you're lifting higher. Exhale, sink into the stretch. Inhale, scissoring your legs. Exhale, opening in the stretch more. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your hands to the mat. And we're going to just stay here for a few breaths. Taking a little bit of a more passive stretch. Lift your chest and then lower as much as you want. Bring your hands to your waist and see if you can lift your chest without using your arm strength. Place your hands in front of you, lift back to down dog, bring your knee to your heart, and back to down dog. Now move to plank again. Left knee to chest. Bring your shin to a 45-degree angle. Lower slowly, keeping your back toes tucked. Bring your hands to your waist. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, sink in the stretch. Inhale, scissoring your legs. Exhale, sinking in the stretch. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink back in the stretch. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now placing your hands in front of you, trying a more passive version of the pigeon. Lower in the stretch as much as you want to. Bring your hands to your waist and then raise back up. Now you're going on your left side. We're gonna do a side lying stretch, but again you'll see that it's pretty active. And to do it, you're resting on your forearm. Bend your right leg. Bring it close to your armpit. Straighten your leg. See how close you can get using the strength of your leg. Then grab your foot, your ankle, your shin, whatever. Pull your leg towards you to stretch. And we're going to do 10 of that on each side. So bend it back down. That's the first one. Second one. Let's see how close we can get. It's really hard for me. I was really sinking in my left elbow here. Let's try to not do that. That's the fifth one. Seven. Nine. As you can see, I'm sometimes trying to straighten my legs without using my arm at all. Sometimes I tend to use my arm more. Do what you feel is effective for you right now. You can bring your leg closer using your arm, then you let go, and then we're done on that side. Point your toes, activate your legs. Bend your left knee, bring it really close to you, and straighten your leg. You're doing exactly what we did on the other side, so I'm not going to be cueing much. 5. Nine, really close. And last one. Our last exercise is one of my favorite. It's in the pancake. We're going to do the pancake, but a more active pancake. And the pancake is one of the best stretches to open your hips, in my opinion. And you can put your legs as wide as you'd like. Keep them here if that's what you need to do. And also, when I started, I could not go any further than this in the stretch. I was struggling to just bring my chest further than my hips forward. I could not lean close to the ground whatsoever. And if that's you, well, that's how you start. You will open your hips and eventually you'll be able to bring your chest closer to the ground. That's the goal. But in this more active version of the pancake, there's a few key points that you need to focus on. You're going to press your heel on the mat. Again, keeping your legs active. You're going to tilt your butt out. Lean your chest forward. So you're really activating your legs. And you can bring your hands to your waist. You can bring your hands up and forward like that. So you're going to do whatever you need to do. It depends. It doesn't even just depend on how flexible you are. Some days you'll want to do one version. Some days you'll want to do another version. That's totally fine. Today I'm going to keep my hands on my waist and we're going to lift and lower 10 times. So you're bringing your chest forward, lowering closer to the ground, as close as you want. And then you'll really feel your hips open as you do that. And that's 1. Bring yourself back up. 2. Back up. 3. 5. We're doing the 8th one. I'm taking my time, just making sure I open each time I lower. 9. 'Hello, friend. 10. Now I'm going to place my hands on the ground and relax in the stretch for a little bit. That's it for today.